Hi, and happy Friday the 13th, the end to the week that seemed to last a year. And although I heard Chicken Little clucking a bit ago, I have some good news for you. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Knock, knock. Who's there? Opportunity. And you don't have to take my word for it. You can listen to the Oracle of Omaha, who says this: when others are greedy, be fearful. When others are fearful, be greedy. Now, I don't know a whole lot about the equities markets, but I do know a little something about residential real estate. So I have three nuggets for you. First, if you have a mortgage, and most of you do, I would like you to consider refinancing it and thinking seriously about a 15-year loan. Second, if you buy your house in the last few years and used less than 20% down, you have private mortgage insurance. Chances are really good that your house has appreciated enough to get rid of that parasite. And third, if you're a seller, Mr. Seller, limited inventory, cap on supply, that's good for you. Mr. Buyer, low interest rates, that's good for you, better than renting. There's nothing to buy at the grocery store, you may as well go buy a house. Lastly, for goodness sakes, wash your hands more often and cover your mouth when you cough and don't pick your nose. And if you kiss someone, for goodness sakes, know where that mouth has been. Live long and prosper.